Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to add related products on Wix website. First of all, open your Wix website editor and now here select the page in which page you want to add related products. And now scroll down and go to the section and just click on add elements in this left-hand menu. And here scroll down and click on store. Under store, click on related products and here you will find related products slider. All you have to need, drag and add this related slider in your Wix website. And as you can see, the related products section has been successfully added in my Wix website. Now it's time to customize this section. So select related products and click on settings and select products, and here we can see which products to display. You can select a specific category, you can select best sellers, and you can select related products. Which related products to display? Select any option from here, then go to settings section and what's displayed, what do you want to show? You can show gallery title, product name, product price, ribbon, digital download badge. So customize these settings from here, then go to layout section and here you can change your related product layout. So I'm selecting the default one, and product info alignment, you can change alignment from here. Go to text section, here you can change related title text and go to design, and from here you will get, and here you will get your related products box design section. From here you will be able to design your related products box. So this is how we can add related products on Wix website. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.